Ltd, and today I am making another delicious recipe from green bananas. Now, I love bananas or any part of the banana family. You have figs, buffets, or plantains. I just love them all, and they are really good for you. They are filled with potassium. Now, when the banana is ripe, the natural sugars in the banana matures as the banana ripens and it becomes sweet. So it's great for dessert. But if the banana is not ripe, like this one, it's hard, it's often very green. The color does not change to yellow like it would when the banana is yellow. It remains green and it's firm to the touch, and because the natural sugars would not have ripened, the banana is not sweet. So green bananas are perfect for savory dishes. Today we're going to be making green banana casserole, and we're going to be using green banana and codfish or saltfish. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 8 green bananas. Now I would have put some water on to boil. I added a little salt, a little oil, and then I put the green bananas in and allowed them to cook until they were fork tender. And once they're fork tender, I would have rinsed off the bananas so it is now easier for me to peel, and we have them here. 8 green bananas. We have 1.5 cups of shredded saltfish or codfish. Now, because this is really salty, I would have boiled it first. Once I shredded it, tried to make it as thin as possible, and I added it to some boiling water. Rinsed it after it boiled for about 10 minutes, added more water to remove some of the salt. And here we have it, 1.5 cups of shredded saltfish. We have 2 large tomatoes chopped. Now we have a trifecta of colors of the sweet pepper. We have green, red, and yellow sweet pepper, half each, which we would have also chopped. We have Bajan seasoning. Now remember, Bajan seasoning always elevates the taste of any dish. So we have 2 tablespoons of Bajan seasoning. I'm going to link the video to the Bajan seasoning in the iCards above and also the description box below. We have 1 clove of garlic, which I also chopped. Half of an onion chopped. We have 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And some additional seasonings. We have 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of curry, and half teaspoon of white pepper. We have some oil for sauteing, and we have 1 tablespoon of butter just to add additional flavor to our dish. Now we're going to prepare our codfish or our saltfish. So we're going to add our oil to the pan. Now we're going to add our onion and sweet pepper. Oh, you hear that sizzle, which means the pan is ready. We're going to add our trifecta of sweet peppers, the red, the green, and the yellow. It looks gorgeous. Mix them all together. It smells amazing. You know how I feel about this. Now we're going to add our garlic. Sprinkle it to the top. And we'll allow it to saute. So good. We'll allow it to saute for a few minutes. Our saute looks good so far. Now we're going to add our codfish or our saltfish to the mix, and we're going to season everything up. Last ingredient to add now is our tomatoes. We add our tomatoes at the very end and stir them in for another couple minutes. Then we're going to get ready to put our casserole together. Now while the codfish is sauteing, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the bananas. So the bananas would have cooled. So I'm going to take a slit down the side of the banana, and it's easier now to peel. So I'm going to pull it apart. I'm still going to be gentle because we want the banana to remain intact. Pull the banana apart, and then we're going to cut it in thirds. So we're going to slice it all the way down, just 1/3 of the banana, slowly to get it all there. And then we're going to do the other side. Green banana is a favorite dish of mine. I actually had my first green banana dish as an adult. My father-in-law, well, he wasn't my father-in-law at the time, but he prepared a dish for me with green bananas, and boy, was that good. There is truth to the saying, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. It's no time to put our casserole together, so we're going to take the slices of the banana and we're going to cover the bottom of our pan. Then we're going to layer it with the codfish. Then we'll add the banana again. We're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 250 degrees at this time. Now, finishing touches, we're gonna just make sure our casserole is pleasing to the eye. So I would have added the sweet pepper strategically as opposed to all over the place, just to put it in between the bits of banana. Now it's ready for the oven. Our banana casserole is done and it looks so good. It's really hot. I don't even want to disturb it, but we must taste it. So let's go. It's nice and soft. Want to make sure I get a bit of the banana and some of that codfish. Smells so good. So good, so very good, as expected. The banana and the saltiness from the codfish is just a perfect bite. Green banana casserole? Now you need to try it. Now, if you enjoyed this green banana recipe, I want you to look over here and see some of my other green banana recipes. And once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.